What's happening, guys? It's the Stock Guru finally coming back to you guys. It's been a while, I know, but I've just been super busy with school going on and everything, but no class today, so I figured I'd make a video for you guys. There was the market's kind of slow, so I'm probably not going to make any more trades today, so I figured, might as well show you guys what's going on. Yeah, as you can see, like everything's red today, so I'm probably just going to call it a day and just make a little video for you guys, see if I can pass some knowledge on to you guys. So let's just jump right into the trade I made today. So today I traded JDST, which if you guys don't know is the inverse of gold. So we'll start off looking at the gold futures. As you can see, it's up quite a bit today, or I'm sorry, up quite a bit recently. Also today, if you zoom in a bit, it made a big jump up today, which I mean it's a good sign. But usually when a stock moves like that, it's gonna have to have some type of pullback. So with that in mind, I figured I'd trade JDST because if gold futures are going to be pulling back, that means JDST is probably going to go up, which it ended up doing. But let me just go into a 1-day, 1-minute chart for you guys. So yeah, as you can see, it was going up all the way up until like the market opened today, which I picked up on right at the market open. It started going down, and I didn't really realize just from looking at this. Of course, I'm looking at JDST, and I see right away in the morning it's trading between the middle and top VWAP. It's making higher highs and higher lows, which is basically, of course, it's a good sign. So I figured we're going to have to jump in on that and take the advantage of gold pulling back a little bit. So let me just show you JDST on a wider chart real quick. So yeah, as you can see, it dropped down, started recovering a little bit, and then even had like a big drop today, this morning, like gold, how obviously because gold went up. But yeah, so I figured it would have to recover a little bit here. So yeah, we could take a position, and I did take a position this morning, right when it starts going up a bit, because like I said, gold's going down right when the market opened. It starts going down, which means JDST is going to be going up. So if you took a position today, you'd probably be able to get a decent return. So I mean, yeah, this is like a decent place to jump in here. If you got in and rode all the way to the top, you're going to be getting about 5%. I mean, it's pretty hard to get the whole move like that, but some people do, some people don't. I'll show you where I sold today. I think I got out at like 59.50. Yeah, like 59.50. So there are a couple of reasons for that. Of course, it starts hitting the SMA, which can always be a resistance. I mean, it went up a little bit more, but let me see here. What is that, like half a percentage point? Oh, so like yeah, 1%, a little bit less than 1%. Nothing I'm too worried about. I'd rather just take my profits and not have to worry about it. But yeah, it starts hitting the SMA, which is a first sign of resistance. And then if we look back at gold, right at this time, right about it was like 10:30 when it starts hitting where I sold. So we'll go to gold and check out 10:30. It was hitting this middle VWAP, pretty sure. Yeah, like right at 10:30, it starts hitting this middle VWAP, which I mean, if you look at gold, it's still trending up. It's really just having a pullback, and as you can see, it is starting to go back up now. Who knows what it's going to do for the rest of the day? But I'm just keeping in mind that it really was only just a pullback that I was trading. I figured, this thing could just go right back up as high as it was, so I might as well take my profits here. It wasn't too much. I think I made like 2.5% or something like that on the trade. But like I said, you could have made anywhere from 1 to 5% on this trade today. But I just wanted to play it safe. I'm seeing that gold is still trending up. If you like, I already showed you guys the chart that it's going up recently, and it was just having a pullback, hitting this middle VWAP, and it's hitting this resistance line. Let me show you just so you guys can see what that actually is here. So yeah, recently it was having trouble getting above this price point here. It was having trouble getting above it, and that's what it broke above, and it pretty much pulled back to that. Let me just zoom back in so you can see the red line here, the trend line. Yeah, it comes right back and literally bounces right off that. So I mean, that's another good sign that you should sell, because new resistances become supports, right? So that's a good indicator for us that it's going to start going in the other direction. So that's why I sold today where I did. And as you can see, it was probably a good move. I only missed out on a little bit under 1%. So I'd rather take my profits and go. I mean, it could keep going back up. You never know, but it probably will. It looks like it's looking pretty strong. But you know, we gotta take our profits in the market, right? So yeah, that was just a quick breakdown of my mindset today. So guys, hit me in the comments with any questions you got, anything you'd like me to go over. And yeah, until next time, Stock Guru, I'll be coming at you guys soon, all right? Peace.